Hey everyone, welcome here. Are you seriously looking to changing your career into software industry and wondering how you need to switch from normal career to software industry as a IT expert? Yes. Now sale of online courses as your dream big as courses are big. So start exploring today to learn many skills at single place. Udemy sale is going on with very great exploring of programming, web development, exploring data analytics, full stack development, Python and prompt engineering, ChatGPT AI, generative AI, what not. So exploring today and switch your career to great IT industry expert. Start explore more. Thank you.